David Marinak with ABC and StandUpHouses.net. The printed can industry, of course, in the U.S. is insane. Year lead time, sometimes more. A lot of companies with really decent volume are using the printed sleeves, which are fine but expensive. I wanted to share with you some information about our factory overseas. I wanted to break it up into little pieces, parts, so you can see different parts of it, from the different styles that are available to some pictures of the actual machinery, to all the different stages of the process. From in this factory is unbelievable. They actually take in raw aluminum. They make their own cans. They go through the entire printing process, and they actually do fill beverages as well. So a lot of overseas breweries and soda companies or energy drinks actually send their products in at the same factory and have them filled there. So there's a lot to this, and I wanted to break it down into chunks. I hope this is helpful. Thanks. The printed can business is all over the place in the U.S., as I mentioned before. This is just a general overview here of the different pieces, parts of our factory, all the different blanks and blank sizes, of course, and some more information regarding the printing. Throughout this slide presentation, I will list out all the different sizes that we have and can run in stock, including shapes. So take a look, and of course, if you need more information, let us know. Nothing earth-shattering here, but you'll see the full collection of different tops. Something that's really important. We have a unique palletizing system. So when a customer wants their cans palletized a certain height, whether it's 3 feet, 2 feet, 10 feet, whatever, we can do that for them, which is a game changer. It doesn't cost them any extra. It's a very, very unique value add. This machine is absolutely fascinating. Here you can see the size of our printing capability, or printing machine, I should say. We can print up to 500,000 cans in less than 2 hours. Fascinating, right? Now, there's way too much detail in this little slide for you to grab or grasp, I should say, but it's something to keep in mind. This factory does it all, from the raw aluminum all the way through the cleaning, the printing, and actually the filling of the final product. It's unbelievable. If we can help you in any way, please let us know. Key thing to remember in all of this, it's supply chain. It's having the ability to have the factory run what you need, ship what you need, and hold what you need. So now your lead times are minimal, and your pricing is outstanding.